Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the Lightning Staff components and initiating the first charge. Do this now. Gather the core, wand head, and power crystal, then move straight to the lab room where you can work safely. Once there, insert the core and attach the wand head. Make sure the power crystal is loosely placed. Then route a direct power feed and charge the core to 40%. This primes the internal circuit so later upgrades align and avoid misfires. You now focus on the core upgrade and calibration, where precision matters. Solder each connection carefully. Clean joints reduce resistance and heat buildup. Once connections are secure, set coil spacing to about 1.2 mm and run a low-power discharge test to observe arc behavior. Then fit the regulator module and adjust the timing chamber to 60 Hz so pulse trains are consistent. These steps stabilize voltage swings, reduce burn risk, and prepare the staff for the final power increase and tuning. Finish by ramping the charge to 100% slowly. You must watch temperature and arc stability during this phase. Once at full charge, lock the casing and perform a full-range test on a neutral target for 30 seconds to confirm sustained discharge and range. If something goes wrong, the quickest fix is to reset the regulator, resolder any questionable joints, and perform half-charge cycles while monitoring behavior. This troubleshooting prevents catastrophic failures and ensures your Lightning Staff operates reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.